What kind of eagle is that?
Tawny eagle, Tawny. The good one is Bataloo. So it's Bateeleur. Yes.
Eagle.
Yes. Bataloo. So when they are still young, the head will be dull in color, but when it's grown up, the head will turn to the blue color. Yes. There you go. CORP. Only a male standing giraffe is called a cop. Yeah. So there's a cop, there's a tower now when they are men. Then there's a gen when walking, there's a stride when they are running.
So this one's really dark compared to the ones
Yeah,
that we were
yes.
seeing.
So this is a male. Males, you know, when they grow up, they become doing that to me. So that's why I say you are a good group.
Well, what you do is you tell them, go out and find them.
We'll come pick you up in 3 hours.
Okay.
Well, you've been doing a great job. You're an excellent guy.
All right. Okay. And this tree.
Pull up just a little more.
So I can see two baby buffaloes.
Just right here. But there's one down here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7. See the young one.